Hello everyone, welcome to Kavita's Kitchen and Travel. Today I am going to show you how to prepare Christmas time special Yule log eggless chocolate cake with chocolate whipped cream topping. This is very simple to prepare and taste super delicious. This is the best dessert enjoyed in Christmas time. It is very soft and moist and eggless. You can try this in this Christmas time. If you are visiting my channel for the first time, please do subscribe and press the bell icon for new notifications. Now let's see what all ingredients we need to prepare this cake. We need 1 cup of sugar, 1 and 1/4 cup of maida or all-purpose flour, half cup yogurt, half cup oil. Here I have taken vegetable oil. You can use olive oil or any cooking oil. 1/4 cup of cocoa powder, 1/4 cup milk powder, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, half teaspoon baking soda, 1/4 teaspoon salt and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. For making chocolate whipped cream, we need 2 cups of heavy whipping cream, 1 to 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder, icing sugar and vanilla extract. Here I have taken 15-inch by 10-inch baking tray. I have greased it with oil and kept parchment paper on the top and greased it with oil one more time. And we need half cup of milk to make cake batter. Let's start the preparation. In a sieve, take our all dry ingredients like maida, milk powder, cocoa powder, baking powder, baking soda and salt. We have to sieve all together. Now it's time to mix everything well. Mix everything well and keep it aside. In a large mixing bowl, take half cup of oil, half cup yogurt, 1 cup of sugar, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract and whisk everything well. You can use just whisk or you can use hand mixer or stand mixer. Here I am using just whisk. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 180 degrees Celsius before mixing your cake batter. I have kept the oven for preheating. Once it mixes well, now we have to add little milk and whisk it one more time. So that it will be easy to mix with dry ingredients. Don't add all milk at a time. Add little milk and whisk it well. Then it's time to add our dry ingredients. Add dry ingredients and slowly mix it with spatula or whisk. Add all our dry ingredients, mix it well, and if it needs some more milk you can add. Don't add all milk at a time. Add little by little and mix it well. Here I am using half cup of milk. Our cake batter is almost ready. With the help of spatula, I am going to mix this cake batter one more time. You can see cake batter consistency. Our baking tray is ready. Now we have to pour our cake batter. Spread this cake batter evenly on the parchment paper. In 10 by 15 inch baking tray, this cake will come like 1 centimeter thickness. That much thin cake would be. It's ready to go in preheated oven. We have to bake this cake for 12 to 15 minutes at 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 180 degrees Celsius. My baked cake is ready. Allow this to cool for 5 to 10 minutes and sprinkle little icing sugar so that when we roll the cake, it won't stick to paper or cake. When cake will be warm, that time only we have to roll it. I am using knife. I am going to cut half centimeter line so that we can roll it tightly. While rolling, if it breaks, it will be fine, so that this cake is very soft and moist. Now I am going to roll it using parchment paper itself so that it will sit properly and take that shape. Roll it and allow this to cool completely. You can keep it in the room temperature or you can keep it in fridge. Until cake cools down, we can prepare chocolate whipped cream. Here I am using 2 cups of heavy whipping cream. In that I am going to add 1/3 cup of icing sugar. You can use 1/3 cup of icing sugar or 2/3 cup of icing sugar depending on how sweet you want this chocolate whipped cream. Cocoa powder also, here I am using 1 tablespoon first, adding 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Mix everything well. Using hand mixer, I am going to whip it on low speed for few seconds, then gradually I will increase the speed and we have to whip it until we get soft peak consistency. It will take around 3 to 4 minutes. First for 30 seconds you can whip it on low speed, then gradually increase the speed to 3, 4, 5, 6, then higher. Don't whip it for a longer time. You have to see the consistency and whip it on high speed. Here this cream is looking light color, so I am going to add half tablespoon of cocoa powder more. Depending on how chocolatey flavor you want this cream, you can add cocoa powder. Whip it on high speed for another 1 to 2 minutes so that we get soft peak consistency. You can see our heavy whipped cream is ready. After whipping it using hand mixer, you can whip it using your spatula so that it won't come as a butter or watery. If you whip it more, then cream will separate and water will come from the cream. Our chocolate whipped cream is ready. Now I am going to put it in piping bag with star tip. Now we have to, our cake is cooled now. We have to open the roll. See, we have used icing sugar on the top, so our cake is perfectly fine. If we don't use icing sugar on the cake, then cake will attach to that paper and it won't be soft like this. Add heavy whipped cream, what we have prepared now, chocolate whipped cream. Spread it evenly on the cake. For this edge, I am not going to add more cream so that we will roll and cream will come out. Now, using parchment paper, we have to roll it gently. Now this time don't roll parchment paper, just we have to roll the cake using parchment paper. Parchment paper will help to roll the cake properly. On the edge, we have to stop rolling the cake. Our rolled cake is ready. Now I am going to cut it like a log shape. How you see log. Just cut it and we have to place it the other way. So that it will look like your log. When we cut it and keep it like this, we have to put it in serving plate or serving tray. After applying cream, we cannot shift it to any serving plate. So now I am going to put it in serving plate. Using parchment paper, we can lift it easily. Now we can slowly remove the parchment paper. Our Yule log cake is in the serving plate. Now I have filled the whipped cream in piping bag with star tip. I am going to decorate it simply. If you don't have star tip, then just apply cream on the top of cake, and with the help of fork, just you can run the fork so that it will look like log. Cover the cake completely using chocolate whipped cream. For the edge, we have to use like a round log cutting shape. so that it will look like a wooden piece. Some people use chocolate ganache for this Yule log. Whipped cream is very easy to make and it tastes really good with the light, and chocolate ganache will be very heavy, so here I am using chocolate whipped cream for decoration. Our Yule log cake is almost ready. Now we can garnish it with some tree leaves or Christmas tree leaves, or just you can decorate it using mint leaves. Here I am using mint leaves and some cherries. Our Yule log cake is ready for Christmas. Just for kind of snow, we can use icing sugar. Sprinkle little icing sugar on the top. It looks like snow. Now we can cut the Yule log eggless chocolate cake. It is very soft, you can see. This chocolate cream is very light and very tasty. Yule log eggless chocolate cake with chocolate whipped cream is ready. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. You can see this cake is very soft and moist, and swirl has come really good. It's yummy. Please do try this at home and let me know your feedback. Happy Christmas. Thanks for watching. Bye bye. Take care.